I almost bought the paid plan after the first 5 minutes. I'm really glad I didn't, because the first impression and the actual experience were pretty different. I use Clipbee AI the way most people probably will. I threw in a long video, tried turning it into shorts, changed the captions, exported a few versions, then repeated the whole thing with another video. The setup was easy, no complaints there. Within a couple of minutes, I already had clips I could post. I remember thinking, okay, this is actually pretty good. Then I kept using it. That's when the little things started showing up. A few clips were cut at weird moments. Some captions needed fixing. Nothing that ruined the video, but definitely not something I'd publish without checking first. Honestly, I wasn't expecting that. The feature I ended up liking the most wasn't even the AI clipping. It was how fast I could go from a long video to something that was about 80 or 90% finished. That's a huge time saver if you're creating content every day. Would I trust it to do everything automatically? No, at least not yet. I still found myself making small edits before exporting the final version. And if you're picky about pacing, you'll probably do the same. One thing people don't really mention, the value of a tool like this depends on how often you make content. If you're posting one video every few weeks, it's probably overkill. If you're turning podcasts, webinars, interviews, or YouTube videos into daily shorts, it starts making a lot more sense. So, is it worth paying for? I'd say yes, but only if it's saving you enough time to justify the subscription. If you're expecting perfect clips with zero editing, you'll probably be disappointed. If you're looking for a solid first draft that cuts your editing time in half, Clipbee AI does a pretty good job. And before you spend money on any AI clipping tool, compare it with at least one competitor. The differences are smaller than most marketing pages make them seem.